Hi guys, Charles from Fabertec Group UK. Normally we deliver CNC, flatbed CNC, as a flatbed, but sometimes client has a narrow passage and we have to deliver vertical CNC. So there is no situation which we cannot sort out. We just need a little bit of preparation, a little bit of welding, framing, maybe a day more on site, but we probably can get almost every of our CNC into your units, even if you have a small doors. So give us a call, give us a challenge, we're up to it. Thank you.